If you're looking for a new bike, Peak Cycles in Golden, Colorado has specialized and giant bikes and a full demo fleet so you can try them before you buy them. Peak Cycles has tremendous customer service, and they've got a fitter with 16 years of experience. Come see George Mullen for an excellent fit to be comfortable on your bike. You know, most bike shops are wondering if you're going to spend $10,000. You don't have to spend $10,000 to get these guys' attention. They'll take care of you even if you're in looking for a new tire. Hi, George Whiteman with Keller Williams and My Home Team Colorado, your active lifestyle realtor in Golden, Colorado. For more information, click the link below.